Hey guys, what's up? So today in this video I'll show you how I do my hair. It's easy and quick, so let's begin. First thing first, you need an empty spray bottle, and in it normally I just put like a leave-in conditioner with some coconut oil, but today I've decided to just put my favorite cream, which is coconut curly cream. I will then add the jojoba oil. Then I'll use the argan oil. Then you'll need to separate your hair in two. Then I will spray my hair with some water that I put inside a spray bottle. Just do a quick detangle with my fingers. And then I'll put the mixture with the cream and the oil. Then this is one of my favorite gel. It's Kinky Curly Gel. It's literally one of my favorite. Yes. So you're gonna put evenly in your hair. And to help me, I'll just use like a detangle brush just to make sure that there's gel in every single hair. Then I'll repeat. And what I love about doing this hair, mostly because it's just like so easy and quick, and like I just like it's so cute at the final result. I just love it. Yes, I just bought it the other day and now we're gonna use it because the other one was kind of empty and I knew for a fact that I need another one. So yeah, I get into the hair, yes, like that. Like I really gotta make sure that every hair has gel, because it's just when it's gonna dry out, it's just gonna really look weird, or there's gonna be like freeze, and I really hate freeze. Like if you have curly hair, you know what I'm saying. If I'm on the go and I don't really have time, I just use the hair dryer and just blow my hair like that. So this is not really how it looks when it's fully dry. I just let it dry naturally, and this is how it looks after like probably like 15 or 20 minutes. Sorry guys, I had my light skin moment. Yes, girl, this is how I actually dry my hair. Yes. Okay, back to the video. Like, for real, back to the video. So then, I'll do my bun. And honestly, guys, you'll be really disappointed because I don't really have any, like, tricks or, like, tips to just, like, how properly I do the bun, because honestly it's just how I feel and how it's gonna look, and it really depends like where I'm going and just like I don't know, just how I feel. And sometimes like I'm just gonna take a lot of hair, less hair. It just really depends on the mood. And to be honest, in this one I took a little bit of hair just to make a cute little bun, just to put a cute little bun on the top. So I'm just trying to make sure like that it's even looking. Just trying to make sure that the look is even on the left and then on the right. Then I'll wrap my hair. Gently twist your hair just like that. And honestly, the little hair that you see, I just hate it, because when you're gonna like do the bun, there's gonna be a little hair that's gonna pop out, and this is really a struggle, and honestly I really hate it. So good luck guys if you want to do it. And just to make it secure, I'm just gonna put some bobby pin. And now it's time for the edges, and I'm using the Garnier Fructis gel, and this one is number 3, which is kind of strong, but like if you want like a stronger gel, I recommend you to use maybe the 4 or the 5 ones. And then I'll just use a brand new toothbrush. And honestly, I don't really have any tips on how I do my edges. It just really depends on how I feel. Like I said, like it depends all the time. And the final step was just to scrunch your hair with oil. I used the argan oil again, and it will just keep your hair moisturized and just look good for the rest of the day. So here you go, this is how it looks. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. And if you have the same hair type as me, please let me know in the comment section below for more videos.
Les biches que t'as avalé fait par la crise. On connaît le game et tous ses caprices. Grosse gifle, te laissera des cicatrices. On m'écoute comme jamais, pourtant moi je rappe comme jadis. C'est longtemps que j'ai les avises. Les femmes on attise, pas solo on débarque à 10. Fallait pas que tu...